All right, so these are going to go into the sizes attribute. So we'll add sizes, and then we'll add a media query, and we'll put it in parentheses. So we could just put max width, 300 pixels here. Now in our case, we want to add a media query for 500 pixels or smaller. So we'll use the max width, and we'll set it for 500 pixels. And then we'll add a space, and then we'll specify how wide the image is going to be if this criteria is met. So if it is anywhere from 0 to 500 pixels, we'll set it to 100% wide. And then to add another media query, we'll add a comma. And in the next media query, we want anything that's 501 pixels and above. So we can set that with min width. That is, it's a minimum of 501 pixels, but it could be anything bigger. So we'll do min width, 501 pixels, and then we want to set it to a size of 300 pixels if that's the case. All right, we'll save this, refresh the browser, and you see that we get the 300 pixel version here. And as we drag the browser, you can see in the upper right-hand corner the width. So we get a sense as we're dragging just how wide it is. And I'm going to go down past 500. And when I do, the image jumps to the 100% wide.